Okay. For me, as a creator, when you develop a new character, for instance, you can give it unique personality, unique traits, para mag-stand out siya dun sa mga previous characters na na-create mo na. Kung nga si Loki, he is eccentric, he has controversial and unconventional views about life. So for me, that makes him a unique character. Now, how can the readers relate to him? So the method is to make him undergo the same struggles and challenges that most people go through. For instance, at some point in our lives, we lose a loved one. So Loki, in the story, also lost someone who is dear to him. So dahil doon sa catalyst na yon, makaka-relate yung mga tao kung bakit siya ganoon mag-react or kung paano siya mag-deal doon sa loss na napakasakit at napakalalim para sa kanya. So you give a character unique traits, then you give him challenge, and then you plan how the challenge is going to change him either for the better or for the worse.
Perfectly put, well said. Mr. Ryan, anything to add?
Well, from a production perspective, no, we don't really add unnecessary characters or plot lines sa adaptation kasi as much as possible, we really want to stick to the source material. But of course, we have to make, like what I said kanina, necessary adjustments or enhancements dun sa adaptation. But we always ensure na kung ano ba yung ginagawa naming bago ay rooted dun sa source material and it's plausible. Kunyari sa Project Loki, plausible siya mangyari sa mundo ng Project Loki or ng ambot niya ng Section B. Kasi at the end of the day, meron kaming expectations that na meet expectations ng fans, and hopefully we meet those expectations or even exceed those expectations.
We love that. And